He like, you recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have seen this little Indian dude trying to dance with Kalia. Kalia just got finished dancing with somebody who couldn't dance. So he come up, he was like, please dance with me, please dance with me. You the best dancer. She's like, I just got finished dancing. And he was like, look who you was dancing with. Like, hello. I'm Chris Brown right here. He was like, come on.
He was killing me on the inside.
Oh, that was funny.
I was like, man, he stayed over there for like 5 minutes, and he finally got the clue, like, okay, I don't want to dance anymore just yet. Like, give me a little time to catch my breath.
Then the dude at the end, Gina, if you would have gave that man a motherfucking bronze,
beast.
I think he would have cried. He would be like, you get a bronze star. I swear he would have cried.
I mean, but the bouncer said, they are the judges. So I'm like, okay.
And then the bartender went along with it.
Right, so I'm like, go ahead, come on. I mean, what you got? I gave this nigga a damn gold star. He said, a gold star? That's what kids get in kindergarten. I said, you gotta crawl before you can walk. He told me so. No, I don't like that. He just stood there, kept shaking his head. I said, okay, well, you get an A. No, you get an A minus. He just kept standing there talking about something. No, I don't. No.
You might as well have a shot him when you gave him an A minus. He was like,
girl, he thought I was motherfucking Beyonce or some damn karaoke judging his ass. He talking about
I think he thought you was Simon Cowell or something.
Hey,
right.
No, I next his ass. I said next.
When he left,
next his ass.
You did.
he was like, wow, so fast? You gonna next me so fast?
I said next. I said shoot, but you.
Nah, but he did good though.
Yeah.
Hey,
For a little Indian, he had it.
when he left, he was like a fucking gold star. When he left, he was mad as hell.
A fucking gold star.
It was like kids now they get platinum. They don't get gold no more.
Right, they get
It's platinum.
Gold. No, you don't get platinum. And I told him, I said I was a nerd and I had a B. I was pissed, but shit, I got some money for that shit.
Right.
It wasn't no fucking D. He told me no, nerds wouldn't take that. Shit, that's the fuck away. Shit, I ain't got no D or no F. Shit, you still get a motherfucking star. Shit. I'll give you a motherfucking red star. Stop, nigga, stop.
You hold up traffic.
He probably
Another motherfucking career.
he probably riding home talking about some damn gold star.
I swear, I wish he had a Facebook. I know he cussed you out on his status.
Right.
He said, I don't like her.
This bitch at the
I'm
club.
not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. You're not talking to me with your gold star ass.
That ain't even. He said he was the best
Male dancer. No.
I'm like, Jarrell?
Your uncle?
Like,
The fuck out of here. Like,
get out of here.
the fuck out of here.
I was so tempted to go find that other Indian dude that was dancing. Make them niggas battle. Look, I think the other dude would have did him in though, because he was getting it. At first he was crunking and shit.
Was it?
Yeah, you see when we just had the little circle going? And he was crunking. He was doing it like...
Hey, I just seen him pick your ass up.
Right. He's strong too to be a little scrawny little Indian man.
And then I had went over there and got a tissue or whatever. And I started dancing with this dude. And his sister was just looking. Didn't know that it was his sister. I grabbed him. I'm like, come on, you want to dance? He said, no, that's my sister. I'm like, she can still dance. I'm not gay or nothing. Like, she don't want to jump in and dance. Just smile back and laugh and shit. Hey, bitch, come on. Shit. Damn club. But that club was popping. It was.
Yeah.
Popping.
But you would have never known it was a club because it looked like a hotel.
The lounge was hot. It was.
And we met K. Diddy vibe.
Get it, girl.
The coolest.
Get it, girl.
She the coolest.
Cool as hell. She gave me like a real fucking hug. Like,
Not no
like,
pat
oh my
pat, not no
And
church
not
hug.
only that was like
Not no church hug.
Nobody check it out. We tried to take a picture the first time. The flash wasn't working. I'm like, can you move over here? And she moved. Like, how many people
She
you
actually
know
moved.
gonna devote that much time into that's how
And she
I
was
respect
hungry.
it.
She was waiting for Don. She said, "What Don at? We trying to eat." And still trying to take a picture.
Yeah.
right.
You know what? I think I might buy the album. I might because
I'm not gonna say might. I'm a bag just because of her.
yeah.
Like she
I
was
already
cool
got
as
the
hell.
single. Sorry.
She cool as
Already
hell.
have it.
Like I gotta say that hug felt like love right there.
Yeah.
Like it didn't feel like no fake shit. Like
yeah, she
it was love.
yeah,
You know what I'm
she the
saying?
coolest. She the coolest.
And she was like so sweet. And I was like, oh my God, I got a big ass head. I can't wear my hair like that. She's like, girl, you gonna pull it out. I was like, girl, you just make me feel good. Like, but I ain't gonna do it though.
And then I said something on Twitter, and she followed your girl back. Gotta respect
Right.
it. I respect it.
Like, yeah. That's what's up. Still made my fucking camera didn't work. Damn, fucking iPhone.
All the money people put on iPhones and they can't get a flash.
Why you gonna throw your shirt at her?
My bad.
And why I got you on video though? Change your clothes. I'm just taping like here. And so
That's why I tried to be discreet about it. So
I forget. I done had words. Danielle changing her panties on camera. Didn't even know. But that was cool.
yeah.
Mad cool.